А? Можеш сесть на место.
I know, you don't have to do this. I'm just taking video.
Мне похуй, бар тях отур.
Okay, just be polite. You don't have to do this. What's an impolite people? Yeah, you should be polite to people.
Садись.
If you touch me, I'll go to police. Huh?
I don't know speak English.
Now you didn't. I قلة الأدب. So this is how they. كيف مسكت أهلهم التوريست قلة الأدب. Just imagine that I was taking a normal video and he just come and started shouting. This is literally the most impolite and unrespectful person I've ever seen here in Kyrgyzstan. And really, really, it's not helping tourists at all. Like, this kind of person, of people, they should not work in train or public transport. This is very, very embarrassing. And just shouting and being racist for nothing. You know, we came here actually to take video to promote tourism in Kyrgyzstan, and this is how we are treated. This is really not nice and unacceptable for sure.